Most of us are used to getting our home broadband through a cable or a phone line, a physical connection running into the house and plugging into a router. But what if you could get fast, reliable broadband delivered wirelessly, straight through the air and into your home, with no engineer visit, no installation, and no digging up the street outside? That is exactly what 5G home broadband promises. But is it the real deal? Or is it too good to be true? Welcome to A2B Network, your go-to place for free, simple and easy to understand help and guidance on all things connectivity. Connecting made easy. Let's start with the basics. 5G home broadband, sometimes called 5G fixed wireless access or 5G FWA, is a way of delivering broadband to your home using the same 5G mobile network that powers your smartphone. Instead of a cable running into your property, a special router or gateway device sits in your home, usually near a window, and connects wirelessly to a nearby 5G mast. That connection is then shared around your home, just like any other Wi-Fi router. From the inside, it looks and feels exactly like regular broadband. The difference is entirely in how the connection gets to your front door. Traditional broadband, whether it is full fiber, part fiber, or an older copper connection, relies on a physical cable running from the street into your home. That infrastructure takes years and significant investment to build and maintain. 5G home broadband sidesteps all of that entirely. There is no engineer visit required. There is no installation appointment to wait weeks for. The router arrives in the post. You plug it in, position it for the best signal, and you are online, often in a matter of minutes. For anyone who has ever waited 3 or 4 weeks for a broadband engineer to visit, that alone sounds pretty appealing. So what kind of speeds are we talking about? In areas with good 5G coverage, 5G home broadband can deliver download speeds that comfortably rival traditional fiber broadband, often anywhere between 100 and 300 megabits per second in real-world conditions, with some providers and locations achieving even higher. For the average UK household, streaming in 4K, video calling, working from home, gaming and running a house full of smart devices, those speeds are more than sufficient. However, and this is an important caveat, the speeds you actually experience will depend heavily on how close you are to a 5G mast and how many other people in your area are using the same network at the same time. 5G home broadband is not the right choice for every household, but for some it is a genuinely excellent option. It tends to work particularly well for people in areas where full fiber broadband has not yet reached, rural or semi-rural locations where the traditional infrastructure simply is not there yet. It is also a strong option for people who move frequently, renters for example, who want a broadband solution they can take with them without the hassle of new installation appointments and contract transfers at every address. And it works well as a temporary solution. If you are waiting for full fiber to be installed, 5G home broadband can bridge the gap effectively. As with any technology, 5G home broadband does have its limitations, and it is important to go in with realistic expectations. First, coverage. 5G home broadband is only available where there is sufficient 5G network coverage from your chosen provider. In many rural areas and even some urban locations, that coverage simply is not there yet. Second, consistency. Because the connection is wireless and shared with other mobile network users in your area, speeds and reliability can vary more than a fixed fiber connection, particularly during busy periods. Third, data. Some 5G home broadband packages come with data limits or fair usage policies, though many providers now offer unlimited packages. Always check the small print. And fourth, indoor signal. The strength of the 5G signal inside your home can be affected by the construction of your property. Thick walls, certain building materials, and distance from a mast can all impact performance. If 5G home broadband sounds like it could work for your household, The first thing to do is check availability at your specific address. The major providers offering 5G home broadband in the UK each have a postcode or address checker on their website. Simply enter your address and it will tell you whether the service is available and what speeds you can expect. It is also worth checking coverage from more than one provider. Different networks have different 5G mast locations, so availability and performance can vary significantly between providers at the same address. A2B Network has free guidance on how to check availability and what to look for when comparing 5G home broadband packages. Head to a2bnetwork.uk for more details. So the big question, is 5G home broadband worth considering for your home? If full fibre is available at your address and you are happy with your current setup, then traditional fibre broadband is likely still the more consistent and reliable long-term choice. But if full fibre is not yet available where you live, if you value the flexibility of a no-installation wireless solution, or if you are simply curious about whether it could work better for your household, then yes, 5G home broadband is absolutely worth exploring. The technology is improving rapidly, coverage is expanding across the UK, and for the right household in the right location, it can be a genuinely excellent broadband solution. 5G home broadband is one of the most exciting developments in UK home connectivity in recent years. And understanding whether it is right for your home starts with having the right information. We at A2B Network are here to make sure you always have access to free, clear and honest guidance on all of your connectivity options, so you can make the best decisions for your household with complete confidence. Head over to a2bnetwork.uk, the link is in the description below, to explore our free guides and find out everything you need to know. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. It really does help more people find this free guidance when they need it most. Subscribe to the A2B Network YouTube channel so you never miss a new video. And drop a comment below if you have any questions. We read and reply to every single one. From all of us here at A2B Network, connecting made easy.